In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can make your YouTube content stand out without breaking the bank, without spending money on expensive equipment. I'm going to be walking you through the 3 steps you need to follow to make your YouTube background move from this to a professional looking set like this. So let's step into the video and I'll walk you through how you can do this.
The first step in achieving that professional look is to record yourself properly. Lighting is crucial in this, so you need to make sure your room is well lit. Position yourself in front of a light source, preferably facing you or to the side. So position yourself in front of the window or have your window on the side. If you don't have fancy lights, no worries. Just record yourself using the natural light during the day. Natural light from a window works wonders. So remember, no light should be directly behind you to avoid distracting shadows. The other thing to note is stabilize your phone by using a tripod or any stable object. A shaky video can ruin the professional vibe we're aiming for. So with these tips in mind, hit record and capture your content confidently. Now that you've nailed the recording, let's move on to the background. So with the background, we want to use free images for our videos in this case. So I would head over to a website like Pixels to look at some free stock images that might suit. You just can type in YouTube Studio background and see what you get. These are some of the photos I got. The other way, if you want a customized approach, create an account with AI text to image generating websites like Leonardo AI. In this case, I used a little bit of Leonardo AI, but I wasn't happy with the images I got or with the prompt I used. So I headed over to Ideogram AI. And these are some of the images that I got. So just look for the image that suits you and let's move on to the next step. Editing is where the magic happens. So for this tutorial, we are using CapCut. CapCut is a user-friendly video editing app. So just search for it in Google and download, and let's dive in. Create a new project and import the images and videos you've recorded and downloaded. Drag your background image and video into the timeline, ensuring they're aligned perfectly. Now let's remove the background. Now adjust your background image to fit the screen, and if needed, make additional tweaks to enhance the overall look. You want to add some depth, just go and use the blur effect under the lens option. Play around with the settings until you're satisfied. Finally, export your video. You can create versions for TikTok and desktop to reach a wider audience. And there you have it, a professional looking video without the need for expensive gear. Changing your YouTube video background doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these 3 steps, you can elevate the quality of your content and keep your viewers engaged. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below with your own video editing tips. Until next time, happy creating. Thanks for listening.